All right, YouTube, Murdoch is back here, bringing you guys a video. We are in Yellowstone. Just look at the scenery. Got the SR Sentra, about to go crazy. Probably one of the most beautiful places I've ever been to, for sure. Yeah, definitely one of the most beautiful places I've ever been to. Yeah, if you're scared of heights, I don't recommend this, but if you're not scared of heights, definitely come take a look. Don't want to go too fast. But yeah, the scenery is amazing. The Nissan's been pretty good. This is a rental from Enterprise. It's the SR, so it's got sport suspension. But yeah, look, you gotta slow down at these corners, or else you'll fly off the mountain, and that is not good. But yeah, it's pretty chill. Very scenic. But it feels like you're in a different planet when you come here. Doesn't even feel like, none of this feels real, honestly. So much like sensory stuff to look at. If you love nature, definitely come out here for sure. This is definitely one of the best trips I've ever done. But yeah, we got the CVT. What is it, 55 degrees? It's pretty chilly outside, but just wear your sweater. Great, yeah, I saw a grizzly bear, some bison. There's so much like crazy stuff to see here. And this is like my first day, so you really see a lot when you come here. It's definitely worth it. crazy bugs out here. I feel like I'm playing Red Dead Redemption. If you guys ever played that game, that's what it feels like out here. I feel like I'm in Red Dead Redemption. But yeah, no, this car is very sporty. It feels good. Handles well. Oh, there's a Mustang behind me. Oh, cool car, Corvette. If you bring your sports car out here, oh my goodness, you'd have some fun. Yeah, you can see the Corvette in the back. Mustang, I mean. Keep going straight?
No. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. We don't need anything, right?
Nah.
There's fall.
There's what?
Fall. Tower fall.
But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video.
You got me hypnotized by the way you look at me. Yeah, baby, don't you love